Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are just going to be working on this robot. I'm just demonstrating it here, so hopefully we can get some nice trades so that you can see about this robot. Basically what the robot does is it opens like what it did here: pending orders, a buy pending order, a sell pending order with a TP as well as a stop loss, as you can see here. And the moment you go into profit in one trade, as long as it triggers one trade like a buy, like what happened there, it closes the other trade and it starts trailing it. So let's wait to see if we can catch another trade for demonstration purposes. And this is on a NAS 100, so you need to adjust the TPs. I've just realized that my TPs are too close. That's why they are too quick to be hit, and the trailing stops as well. So I should have placed this robot on a forex chart, not on an indices chart. But it's basically, as you can see, the moment a new candle opens, it opens two pending orders. The moment that one pending order is hit, the other one automatically gets closed, and then it starts manages the open trade. That's what it does. So this should be a good idea for people who are not so sure about the direction that the market is going to take, and you just want to trade all the directions because you are not sure or confident what direction the market is going to take. So that's what we're going to be working on in this video. I'm just going to go to FXDREEMA in a moment. I just want to see if we can get another demonstration there. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Everything else, see the links in the description box below. You can download this forex robot. The link will be in the description box below. Basically visit the blogs. I've tried to link to the robots directly. For some reason, I don't know why YouTube is deleting my links. So just visit the blogs. The links are in the description box below. Unfortunately, I cannot link directly to the actual robot. I don't know if it's somebody who reported me, or somebody, or maybe YouTube suspects that it might be links to harmful files, or I don't know. But I've realized that the moment I just put the home pages, they remain there. But if I link directly to the actual file, YouTube is deleting the links. So yeah, I don't know what's happening with YouTube there. So yeah, you see what happened there. We have a new trade. It's closing the trades. Yeah, it's something that you have to work on and refine a bit, but you get the picture. Every new candle, we open two pending orders. Hopefully one of the pending orders gets hit and we can make a quick buck out of it. It's basically for scalping. Then the other one that is not hit is immediately closed, and the one that is hit is basically managed. We have stop loss there, we have the trade there, and we have our TP there. Hopefully we can push up, but seems like, because this is 1 minute time frame as well, it seems like it's jumping up and down, but you get the picture, I guess. But in any case, if you want to test this out for yourself, it's going to be on the blogs. The links are in the description box below. Where I'm testing this, the broker that I'm using, the link is also in the description box below. If you're looking for a reliable broker, and for just $5 you can open a real life trading account, which you can use to test some of these robots as well. So yeah, now we have a new trade there, new pending orders there. We'll see. So we have a trade that's open, and we have new pending orders there. I'm sure the moment this one gets triggered, you see the other one gets closed, and hopefully we continue to make some money. You can see even the trades are being managed nicely there. Hopefully we can hit some TP there, and that will be it. So yeah, it's a good idea to with this robot. I'm not saying it's going to make you a millionaire. I'm not saying it's going to make you a millionaire. People tend to think, oh, because I saw a comment on a previous video, somebody said the robot that you shared with me was not making me money. And I've always said on this channel, the purpose of these videos is not to find you profitable trading strategies. The purpose of these videos is to give you ideas of what you can actually do, things that you can actually do, and you can then find your own trading strategies, your own profitable trading strategies, and you use the skill that you have learned on this channel of turning your strategies into forex robots without needing to learn coding or programming. So yeah, let's see what happens in FXDREEMA, but otherwise hopefully this video has given you an idea of what I'm going to be doing today. So here we are in my FXDREEMA. I'm not going to waste your time and try to bore you with a lot of stuff. Again, if you want to download this file, visit the blogs. The links are in the description box below you. There you can download this for free, and you can come and load it onto your own FXDREEMA if you have a free account. This is a free account. You just create a free account, then you come back to FXDREEMA and you import the files. You can import MQ4, MQ5 files, and they need to have been made by FXDREEMA in order for them to work. So yeah, visit the blogs. The links are in the description box below. Just load the file, and then you can play with it however you want it. But if you want to use it as it is, this is what I have. So first of all, you already know what I usually want to do. I don't know if the noise that is outside is filtering into my mic. I don't know. I'll hear when I'm editing the video. Somebody is making noise because I'm now making a video. Suddenly somebody is wanting to make noise outside. But in any case, so usually you see I start with a once per bar block, if you've been following my videos for some time now. So where do you find it? You go to your time filters, once per bar. So you just drag it and you drop it there, and let's just delete that. And then we are going to add a block, delete pending orders, and this will be the block. It's going to be under trading actions. So it's going to be delete pending orders. So this is the block, and then we are going to have buy pending order and sell pending order. And what we are going to do there is we are coming here. This is where you find the buy pending order and the sell pending order here. If we just double click in there, you can see the settings that I have. I'm sure you downloaded the file from the blog, so if you just load it, you will see the settings that I have in there already. So we are going to open at price. We're going to use custom price. Custom price, if you come here, it's going to be like ask, but you're going to go to custom price, and we are going to choose candle, and we are going to choose the parameter candle high. That's what we are going to use. You can basically play around with all these other settings, but what I'm using for the robot that you saw is candle high. That is for buy pending orders. For sell, you see that I've used candle low, the opposite, and then candle ID I've just used candle 1, the previously closed candle, not the candle 0, the one that is still jumping up and down. Then here you can basically set your stop losses and your take profits. Basically, if you've been watching my videos, you are familiar with all of this. So if we go into the sell pending order, you see again, the moment you load it, it's going to be like ask, but you're just going to use custom price, and again it's just similar. Just set everything you like I have there. Then we also have this block. If a trader, where is this? So here is where you find this block, check trades and orders. So if we have a trade, we are going to do what? We are going to trail each trade. Where do we find our trailing? Here, trail stop each trade. Then we're just going to link the two. and let me delete that. And if you double click here, I've just used the default settings. You can play along with these settings, really decide what's good for you. The purpose of these videos is what? To show you what you probably need to do. I'm not here to spoon feed you or give you everything that you are going to learn on FXDREEMA. You can do a lot with this platform, and on a free account. See, we just used how many blocks? 6 plus 3. So on the on trade, you are going to also go on to on trade. If we click on there, you see that, so there's some stuff that I cannot see there. Let me just refresh a bit, and we go again. So on trade, so we have this block trade created. This is this block, and you just drag it and drop in there. You don't need to do anything in there. And we have a condition in here. Here is where we get the condition, and you just link the two. And in this condition, if you double click on it, you can see what settings I have. I have value numeric equals value numeric whatever, and that's all that I have. And what do I want it to do? Once we have a trade created, we are deleting some pending order that was not fulfilled. And where is that? Sorry, I keep forgetting. Delete pending orders. There is the block on trading actions. Here is the block, and we delete it. So yeah, if you don't want to go through the pain of going through actually pulling all the blocks together and stuff, basically I've simplified it. You can download the file from the blocks. Maybe let's just rename this. What do we call it? Pending order magic. Pending, that's a wrong spelling of pending. Let's say I hate mark because it doesn't give me the option to actually just click and yeah, pending order magic, and we say done. So yeah, we are just going to call this pending order magic, and basically that's we are going to download. Here's the MQ4 file. I'm just going to download it now. If you want to download it, it's going to be on the blogs. So visit the blogs. The links are in the description box below, and this will be the executable file. The MQ4 file, you can actually load it onto your own FXDREEMA. Just create a free account, and you come to where it says projects, and here you come to where it says import project. Then you have the file, and then you can start playing around with these settings for yourself. And once you are done, you can simply download whatever custom settings that you have done to the file. Otherwise guys, I hope this is helpful. Enjoy it. It's free of charge. You don't need to pay me for this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.